Have you ever paused to consider how your thoughts influence the course of your life? Could your mind be the master artist, painting the canvas of your reality? Today, let's delve into a philosophy that suggests exactly this: the law of attraction. The law of attraction, in its simplest form, proposes that like attracts like. Positive thoughts magnetize positive experiences, while negative thoughts draw in negative experiences. Picture your thoughts as a sort of energy, radiating out into the universe and then returning to you in kind. At the heart of this philosophy lie three core principles: ask, believe, and receive. The first, ask, involves identifying what you truly desire. This isn't merely about stating your wants. It requires a deep, introspective exploration of your aspirations and dreams. It's about painting a vivid mental picture of your desires, so real and detailed that you can almost touch it. The second principle, believe, asks you to have faith in the universe's ability to fulfill your desires. This isn't about hoping or wishing. It's about absolute conviction that what you desire is already yours. This unwavering belief generates a positive energy that resonates with the energy of your desires. The final principle, receive, is about being open to accept what the universe offers. It involves tuning into the signals and opportunities that come your way and acting on them. It's about aligning your actions with your belief that your desires are on their way. The law of attraction is not merely a passive process of wishful thinking. It's a dynamic, active process that involves visualization, positive thinking, and action. It suggests that you have the power to manifest your desires by aligning your thoughts and actions with the energy of what you seek. In summary, the law of attraction is a philosophy that suggests your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. By focusing on positive thoughts, you can magnetize positive experiences into your life. It operates on three principles: ask, believe, and receive. Remember, this law suggests that the universe is like a giant mirror, reflecting back what you project. So, project positivity, dream big, and have faith. The universe is listening. The canvas of your reality is in your hands, and your thoughts are the brushstrokes. Paint wisely.